Hello, Rogelio here. Are you wondering why your Teams is not working perfectly like before? Maybe you have to update its version. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a short video tutorial on how to check the update of your Teams and how to update its version. So let's start. First, just click on your profile picture found on the top of your screen. Once you click on it, will be some information will be stated and look for about. From the about, click on version. And once you click the version, this information will prompt on the top of your screen. It will tell you what is the version of your Teams. So I have 1.3.0028779 and it was last updated on 11/7/20. That's the latest. Okay, so now if your version is already old and it's been updated for a long time, just go to your profile picture again. Then go to check for updates. Click on check on updates. Then it will show you another information on screen. We will check and install any updates while you continue to work. Alright, so that will automatically going to update your version and it will just ask you to restart it once it is done. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time. Bye.